Hi everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing my very first Sugar Milk Company unboxing. This is a company that I've seen all over Instagram. It's also on Etsy, and I've seen one or two little reviews here or there on YouTube, but not too many. But I was very curious. This company is known for really good gourmand body oils and body creams and stuff like that. So I did get 3 of their perfume oils, so I'm really excited. This is the box that it came in. I did not look inside the box, I just cut it open so it'll be a little bit easier. But the box is packaged really well. I love the tape that they have. It's really cute, and it says Sugar Milk Co. right here at the bottom. It also has Fragile all over the packaging, so that hopefully the post office was really good with that and nothing is in here broke. So yeah, so this company, if I'm not mistaken, they only open up once or twice out of the month, and it's for a 3 to 4 day weekend sale. I purchased this last month, and then when you see this video on August 19th, if I'm not mistaken, they'll be opening up again, so I'll have their information in the box if you are wanting to go look at their site, because they have a really adorable site. So yeah, so if you guys want to see what I got, then just keep watching. As I told you guys, I did not open the box, but I did cut it open so you guys can see what it looks like. Open it. Oh, this is so cute. So look at that. You see the inside? So it has little white popcorns. It also has colorful confetti, which is so pretty. Then this is a little sticker that says have fun. A little card that says all about our questions and just tells you to go to their questions on their site. Celebrate and have fun. It's just a little card that says thank you for shopping small. If you know this is a small business. And this is my receipt. Oh my god, look at what this is so cute. Like, the packaging in this is so adorable. This right here says I'm edible. This looks so good. It says I'm edible, and it's a giant Rice Krispie treat. My kids are going to love. This is gorgeous. This is a rainbow sprinkled Rice Krispie treat, so love that. That's yummy. Okay, so let's dive in here and see what's what. Okay, so I picked up 3. So which one should we start with? We're gonna start with this one, which I think is the fluff one. Okay, so it's packed in like this, which almost reminds you of like a paper bag material inside of that. So that's really good. And this is the first one. So these are, they do have 2 sizes. This is the 1.7 ounce, and then they do have a smaller one. I think it might be 0.33 or something. I'm not sure what the smaller size is, but this is the bigger size bottle, and this retails for $36, and the smaller one retails for $18, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not sure. But this is the Silky Oil perfume, and like I said, I got 3 of them. And they say shake well before each use. Now, I do not know the scent notes on this because, one, they don't have them on here. They don't have them on anything, any of the paperwork. And the company is closed while I'm filming this, so I can't check. But this one is a marshmallow fluff. And I remember this one being like marshmallow and like vanilla or something. So yeah, I'm excited and I'm ready to try it. So I'm gonna open this up. I can smell it a little bit through here. Now, these are oils, they are not perfume, so you don't want to spray these type of things on your clothes. You want to spray it on your body, apply it and rub it in. I'm just going to do a little bit, or try to do a little bit. Okay, so it's a little squirt. I'll rub it in. Feels really nice. Oh my God, this is good. Oh, this is so good. Yeah, I'm super happy about this one. So this one smells like marshmallow. It smells like a warm, gooey, toasted marshmallow, like you might be roasting it over an open fire or something like that. It smells amazing. I cannot wait to pair this with some of my fragrances that has a marshmallow note in it. Oh my God. Oh, this is so good. And it feels really, really soft on the skin. Like your skin is gonna feel really nice and moisturized with this. So if you don't want to use like lotion, you can definitely use these. If these other two are anything like this, I definitely will be repurchasing when they restock on August 19th. So that is Marshmallow Fluff. Okay, let's see. I don't remember what this one was, but this one is Birthday Cake, because it has the little says right there. So this is Birthday Cake. Okay, and this is what Birthday Cake looks like. Same exact thing, shake well, and again, no notes because I don't know them, but I'm sure this one was some type of like vanilla cake batter or something like that. So yeah. So good. Okay, so here we go. Okay. Oh, I smell it already. Oh my goodness. Oh God. This smells just like a vanilla birthday cake. Like if you look at the packaging, that's exactly what it smells like. It smells like a birthday cake, a vanilla birthday cake. And again, this would probably pair well, really well with like vanilla scents, like foodie vanilla scents. It smells so nice. Like I can't get over it. Is this one to me? This one to me is a little bit lighter than the Marshmallow Fluff, but you can still smell it. Oh, that's nice. I like that. I love that. Okay, and then the last one, I don't remember which one this was. This one is Princess Bubblegum. Okay. It has a P and a B, and I'm like, did I get peanut butter or something like that? But no, it's Princess Bubblegum. And I got this because I have been loving the Bath and Body Works Bubblegum Pop. Is that what's called? That fragrance mist mixed with two of my other perfumes. I have to do a video on those, but I thought this would probably go really well. And I have not seen anybody review this one. So, yeah. Okay. Bubblegum. Ooh. But it's like a lemony bubblegum. Like it got a little bit of lemon in there. Some citrus or something. But it also has like some Hubba Bubba bubblegum, if that makes sense. Oh my God, this is so good. I'm not gonna lie, this might be my favorite. This might definitely be my favorite, and then the Marshmallow Fluff, and then the Birthday Cake one. Guys, I love these so much. I'm so glad I got these. I really feel like this smells so good. Like if you guys could smell it, oh my God, that's so good. So yeah, those are the 3 that I purchased. I may even try out some of the smaller ones in other scents because they have a ton of scents. They have like blueberry, strawberry, some cookie ones. I cannot wait until they open up so I can go ahead and purchase more. This is so good. I'm over here smelling like a snack. So good. I love it so much. Okay. So yeah, that is it. So obviously I love these. Now I don't know the wear on how long they wear, but I feel like if you pair these with like lotions, because I know some people pair oils with lotion, the shower gel with the fragrance on top, these will be amazing. I'm gonna start playing with these since tonight. This bubblegum one is definitely going to be the very first one I play with. Oh, it's so good. All right guys, that is it. That is all. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really hope you guys go and try some of these fragrances out because I really think for a small indie brand they are definitely worth it. I will have their store link below, and also like I said, they have an Etsy that sometimes is open up a little bit more than the actual online store, so you can check there. If I'm not mistaken, Etsy might be open right now, I'm not sure, but that is it. That's all. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in another video. Bye.